Hey, before I get into this video, if you want to learn how you can start making $300 commissions over and over, check out the first link in the description. Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, we're going to talk about free PayPal money in 2022. All right, look. I just watched the video from YouTuber Jordan Mackey. He actually the guy who I bought his course, his YouTube course. It's a really good course. I'll put a link to it in the description of this video. You gotta look for it, but very good course. But anyway, I just watched the video where he was talking about a method where you can basically get paid for sharing links or posting shortened links. All right, and this method it's been around for years, right? But this particular website that he talks about in the video, it stands out because like the payout is really high compared to what I've seen, years ago. So it kind of piqued my interest. So the name of the site is called shrinkme.io, and the whole concept is you get a link, whatever the link is to. Now, Jordan, in the video he talked about, he was basically talking about using YouTube as, find a YouTube video, get that link, shorten it, and then you post it, right? You post it on different platforms, whatever. But you can actually use any link. And in a minute, I'm gonna show you how I would recommend using this, all right? So anyway, what you do is you get a link to something, right? It could be a YouTube video. Get that link. Once you register with ShrinkMe, you actually be able to take that link, put it in, boom, you get a special link. For every time somebody clicks on that link, you essentially get paid, right? So for every 1,000 clicks, all right, you actually earn money. And different countries, because this is like pretty much a worldwide opportunity. So for every country has different payouts for that 1,000, for every 1,000 clicks, right? So I think with the US right now, for every 1,000 clicks you get to this link, you earn $7. Some countries is even up in the 20s, right? So you get this link and you put it boom, 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 boom. For every 1,000 clicks, you get $7, right? And in a lot of cases, even with YouTube, depending on what niche you in, you only get like $1 or $2 for every 1,000 clicks you get to your video. So this could be very profitable for people that maybe are struggling on YouTube or anything like that. So that's what kind of stands out in a positive way about the whole shrinkme.io. Now, what I personally would recommend is get a link. You can get a link to like an affiliate product or even a product of your own. And then share that product, because what happens is how you earn money is anytime somebody clicks on that link, they're going to see an ad, right? They're going to see an ad, and that's how you get paid, because they're going to see an ad before they get to whatever they're supposed to see. So if you're doing a click, the hell am I talking about? If you're doing a YouTube video, right, and somebody click on that link, they're going to see an ad, then they're going to get to the YouTube video. All right. So that's how that works. So obviously, the more traffic you can get, the more money you can make. Keep in mind now, read the site before you join, because they do tell you all the little rules. It's not just like if somebody click on the link, you instantly made money. The person does have to stay on that ad for at least 10 seconds. Keep that in mind, right? The person who clicks on the link has to stay on it for at least 10 seconds. And there's other little variables and stuff, but basically 10 seconds somebody needs to watch this ad. So what you could do is whatever you're trying to promote or whatever, get your shrinkme.io link and put it, like you can use it on TikTok. Put it in your TikTok bio, right? You can put it in your Instagram bio. I would be a little skeptical, to just post them freely on Facebook. But maybe Facebook groups, you can get away with posting links to different things and, having to add. But this type of opportunity is all about, getting traffic to these links. But guys, that's pretty easy to do, super easy way to earn some money, because yes, you can get paid through PayPal. You just need to have a $5, at least earn $5 in your account, and you get paid via PayPal. That is super easy money to make. Now, what Jordan Mackey was saying in his video is another good strategy, but it would take a little more effort. And that's basically is to find niche specific forums where people are discussing different topics, and you can answer these topics with, say, like a YouTube video. So say somebody like, how do I play a guitar? Just whatever, right? So say you go to YouTube, you find a video tutorial, somebody playing a guitar, you take that link, put it in shrinkme.io, and you actually go to that forum and you can answer the question by saying, hey, this video teaches you everything you need to know about playing a guitar. Boom, bam, you post that link. For everybody to click on it and stay on there for 10 seconds, you're gonna earn money. So imagine doing that, 5 to 10 times a day, and you could even do that in different forums. Now you can see the whole theory of like how you can make some decent money doing this. But if you were to take that route, you would want to, take it serious. Make it a point to post on these forums, 5 days a week. Like, you want to take that pretty serious if you want to earn a decent amount of money doing it that way. All right. But guys, if you want to check it out for yourself and experiment, I'll put a link in the description. Just look for it. It'll say Shrink Me program. You can sign up for yourself. You get $1 just for joining, and then have fun with it. You know what I mean? Try it out for yourself. I might actually experiment with this a little bit in the future and come back and let you know how much I earned. But if you want to check it out right now, you can do so. All right. So hopefully you got something from this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Till the next time. Peace.